A camera that can edit your adventures on its own. Yes, you heard that right. AI technology now helps you create highlight reels without touching your editing software, and that's just the beginning. Today, we're comparing two powerful action cameras that push the boundaries of what's possible. The Insta360 Ace Pro versus Ace Pro 2. Which one deserves your attention? Let's walk through their features together and we'll help you understand which one might be the better fit for your creative journey. Let's talk about how these cameras feel in your hands. Both the Ace Pro and Ace Pro 2 showcase Insta360's thoughtful approach to portability. They're compact enough to slip into your pocket or grip comfortably while you're on the move. While the Ace Pro 2 is slightly heavier, you'll appreciate how that extra weight actually translates into better durability. When it comes to ruggedness, both cameras are built to handle whatever adventures you throw at them. Here's something interesting. The Ace Pro 2 takes underwater capabilities a step further, allowing you to dive 39 feet deep, while the Ace Pro handles depths up to 33 feet. Those extra 6 feet might not seem like much, but they can make all the difference when you're capturing underwater scenes or braving harsh weather conditions. The displays are another area where you'll notice some meaningful improvements. The Ace Pro 2 features a 2.5-inch flip touchscreen that's slightly larger than the Ace Pro's 2.4-inch screen. Trust me, that extra screen real estate makes a noticeable difference when you're trying to frame your shots or review footage under bright sunlight. The touch interface is remarkably responsive, letting you adjust settings on the fly without missing a beat. Now, let's take a look at those camera's specifications. The Ace Pro 2's dual AI chip works in perfect harmony with its 1/1.3-inch 8K sensor, and the results are quite impressive. You'll notice the difference, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. The images are sharper, the colors are more accurate, and there's less noise in your low-light footage. When we talk about resolution options, each camera brings its own strengths to the table. The Ace Pro 2 gives you stunning 8K video at 30 frames per second. That's an incredible amount of detail to work with, especially if you like to crop and reframe your shots in post-production. The Ace Pro, meanwhile, excels at smooth motion with its 4K recording at 120 frames per second, perfect for those breathtaking slow-motion sequences. Both cameras feature the prestigious Leica Summarit lens, but the Ace Pro 2 takes things further with its 157-degree MegaView ultra-wide angle. What's remarkable about this wider field of view is how it captures more of your surroundings while maintaining natural-looking proportions at the edges. No more of that fisheye distortion that's so common in action cameras. The stabilization technology in these cameras is where things get really cool. The Ace Pro 2's enhanced flow state stabilization with 360-degree horizon lock is almost magical. Your footage stays perfectly level even during the most dynamic movements. One feature you'll particularly appreciate in the Ace Pro 2 is the free-frame video capability. Imagine being able to adjust your video's aspect ratio after you've finished recording. It's a real time saver when you're creating content for different social media platforms. The improved active HDR processing is another standout feature, handling those tricky high-contrast scenes with remarkable finesse. When it's about the battery, the Ace Pro 2 comes with an 1800 mAh battery that charges so quickly, like 80% in just 18 minutes, with a full charge taking 47 minutes. Compare that to the Ace Pro's longer charging time, and you'll understand why this matters when you're out shooting all day. The Ace Pro 2's endurance mode is particularly advanced. It optimizes power consumption when shooting in 4K at 30 frames per second, extending your recording time by about 50%. And here's a thoughtful touch. The reverse charging feature lets you use your camera as a power bank for other devices. It's these kinds of practical innovations that make a real difference in the field. Both cameras handle heat well, but the Ace Pro 2's enhanced cooling system is particularly impressive. You can record in 8K for extended periods without worrying about overheating, a crucial feature when you're capturing those once-in-a-lifetime moments. The software ecosystem supporting these cameras is robust and user-friendly. The Ace Pro 2 takes things a step further with its AI-powered editing tools. They're quite remarkable at automatically identifying and compiling your best moments into highlight reels. Both cameras benefit from regular firmware updates, but the Ace Pro 2's newer hardware platform means it's better positioned to receive more advanced features in future updates. It's worth considering if you're planning to use your camera for long. Let's talk about the investment aspect. The Ace Pro is a great choice for its price and capabilities. It works well for beginners and casual users who need dependable performance. Whereas the Ace Pro 2 comes with a higher price, but it brings to the table those advanced features we've discussed: 8K recording, superior low-light performance, and sophisticated editing tools that professional content creators often require. The choice between the Insta360 Ace Pro and the Ace Pro 2 ultimately depends on where you see yourself as a creator and the kind of projects you have in mind. The Ace Pro shines as a reliable, high-quality option for anyone who enjoys documenting their adventures, social media moments, or even some light professional work. It's an excellent value with powerful 4K capabilities, solid durability, and user-friendly features, making it a practical choice for beginners and casual content creators who want a dependable device without a steep learning curve or price. On the other hand, the Ace Pro 2 represents a significant leap forward, bringing a suite of cutting-edge features tailored for more demanding users. With 8K recording, enhanced stabilization, improved low-light performance, and AI-powered editing tools, it's designed to keep up with the needs of advanced content creators and professionals who want to produce studio-quality footage in real time. The 157-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, the next-gen flow-state stabilization, and the free-frame video options are perfect for those looking to push creative boundaries. Moreover, the Ace Pro 2's superior cooling system and rapid charging battery cater well to long, intense shoots. Whether you're exploring the wilderness, shooting complex action sequences, or simply filming for extended periods without missing a beat. Its future-proof design means that you'll likely receive enhanced software updates, giving the camera a longer lifespan in terms of technological relevance and creative capability. In short, the Ace Pro is a fantastic entry point into high-quality action videography, while the Ace Pro 2 is the choice for creators with a desire for top-tier quality and professional-grade tools. Consider your current needs, but also envision where you'd like your content creation journey to take you. The right camera will be the one that aligns with both your present goals and your aspirations for the future. So that's all about the Insta360 Ace Pro and Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Do let us know what you think about these cameras. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.